This video is going over the lung model here. Now, the lung model does not fully rotate. So see how it's going to stop and go back. So because there's no backside to this model. So these are hotspots. We have the right lung view, we have a midline view, we have a view of the left lung right here, and then another view of the left lung over here. I do not have an outside view of the left lung. I thought I did, but apparently it's not there. So we have a view on the right side. The right lung has 3 lobes. 1, 2, 3. It has a superior lobe, a middle lobe, and an inferior lobe. The horizontal fissure is going to separate the superior from the middle lobe. The oblique fissure, the middle lobe, from the inferior lobe. This is the apex of the lung, and this is the base. Now, I like this view because it shows some of the blood vessels really nice. That's the subclavian artery and vein. That is the jugular vein. That is the carotid artery. You can see the sciatic trunk peeking its little head out. So I'm going to rotate a little bit, and we have removed the outside of the lung. And again, you can see the vessels clearly here. It's a really cool model for vessels. So we have the thyroid cartilage there, the cricoid cartilage is hiding. We have the trachea going down, and the trachea ends about right there. These are primary bronchi. So if we keep rotating, we can see the primary bronchi are splitting to the right lung and to the left lung. Now, the primary bronchi are very short. They haven't even reached the hilum here, and they split on this side, the left side. There are 2 secondary bronchi. On the right side, keep going, I have 1, 2, 3 secondary bronchi. Why? Because there's 3 lobes on the right lung, but if we go back here, left lung, we only have 2 lobes. We have a superior and an inferior lobe, and they are separated by this oblique fissure. I would show you the oblique fissure from the outside. Now we can see the pulmonary veins right there. Again, it's oxygenated veins. It's the only oxygenated veins in the body. We can see the cardiac impression right here. Then this is the cardiac notch. I like this because it actually shows the hepatic veins. Remember, I kept going hepatic portal vein, hepatic portal vein. The hepatic veins are very small or short. They're right here on the vena cava. And then I have the sciatic trunk hiding right there. So this gives you a better view. Pulmonary artery, because deoxygenated blood from the right side. Pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood back to the left. Primary bronchi, secondary bronchi on that side. And here's the thyroid cartilage, there's the cricoid cartilage, and this is all trachea. And again, you can clearly see subclavians, jugular vein, carotid artery, brachiocephalic veins, 1 brachiocephalic artery. So that is our model. Thank you.